Hi everyone. Today I'm very excited and elated while making this video and talking to you because it's our first day of tenses learning journey. And in this video, I will tell you about the types of tenses in brief, and I will tell you one more interesting thing that I came to know, and you'll be also happy to know that you need only 5 tenses to learn because they cover 95% of daily English conversations. If you know these tenses, you can easily learn daily English speaking because mostly when people talk they use these simple tenses. So I will tell you about these 5 tenses too. So first of all, let's learn about the types of tenses. Okay, so I think you all know that there are 3 types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. And again, each tense have 4 types. Like tense have 4 types: simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. In the same way, past tense also have 4 types of tenses: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous tense. And the last one is future tense. It also have 4 types. Like there are first one, simple future, future future perfect continuous tense. And uh, that's it about so there are 12 types of tenses. Okay, and now I will tell you that you don't need to learn this all 12 types of tenses because there are 5 tenses which are mostly used in 95% of daily English conversation. And you are here to learn daily English conversation, learning how to speak in English. So why to worry about all other tenses? First you focus on only on these 5 tenses, and then later on when you become advanced speaker, then you can learn all other tenses too. Okay, so this is very interesting to know. So yes, in this journey of learning tenses, I need your support and I need your motivation. You have to give me the likes and comments so that I can keep myself motivated for 30 days to give you all the details about the tenses, because now from now on we will learn the tenses in detail every day. I will upload a video or maybe shorts to make you understand about the tenses. So one by one, starting from the present tense, we will learn all types of tenses. Okay, and yes, I was about to tell you the 5 tenses that you need to learn, which covers 95% of real English conversation. So these tenses are simple present tense, simple past tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and simple future tense with will. Okay, so these are the 5 tenses. I repeat: simple present, simple past, present continuous, present perfect, simple future tense. Okay, these are the 5 tenses that I was talking about, that you need to learn these 5 tenses and you will be able to converse in English because it covers 95% of real English conversations. So this is very interesting and you should focus on these tenses, but every day we will learn all the tenses one by one in detail. And whatever the doubt you have, then you can comment in the comment box so that I can make the next video about those doubts too. I can clear your doubts, and you can learn very effectively and smoothly every day. You don't have any confusion. So whenever you have any confusion, I'm here to solve your confusion. Always you can ask the questions, but until and unless you will not write, you will not comment in the comment box, you will not tell me, then how would I know that you are understanding or not, your doubts are getting cleared or not? So you need to comment in the comment box, and keep liking my videos, and also share with your near and dear ones if you find them helpful. I will try my best to make you understand what I know about the tenses and every detail of the tenses, and I'll try my best to make it very easy and very interesting for you. Yes, as I already told you, we'll not learn it by learning the rules and in a traditional way. We'll learn it by just using the daily use sentences in daily conversations. So that would be interesting. And every day you come with your doubts, you write in the comment box. I'll clear your doubts, and because I'll feel happy if you will learn tenses by my videos. That is my motive, to make you learn tenses, because tenses are a very important part of conversation. Otherwise, like, you can't converse in English, because if you are using present tense in where you are supposed to use past tense, then it won't work. So tenses are crucial part of the English language, or any language, like in Hindi as well. Tenses play a crucial role. So all the best everyone, and all the best to all. We will learn together and grow together, and I will love that you will learn the tenses well, and I hope you will learn. Definitely you will learn. So keep motivating me, and this would be a 30-day series of tenses, and every day we'll learn some new tenses. So keep motivating me, keep growing. See you in the next video.